This projector screen has been so awesome. We just have it in one of our empty rooms right now. It's really fun to bring some like comfy cushions and blankets in here and do a movie night. The brightness is insane. Like, our projector is pretty good, but the quality is so good on this screen. The projector screen that we have is 72 inches, so like it's very large. Right now we just have it hanging from our window. It does come with like little adhesive packs that you can put up, but right now we're not using those just because we're going to be moving this around. Once it gets nicer out, it's winter here in Minnesota, so once spring and summer come around, we're going to actually put it on our deck. So I'm so excited to be able to do movie nights out there. Let me turn the light on so you can kind of get a feel for the quality of the screen. Even with the light on, it's anti-glare, which is super convenient. I do need to do a better job at steaming it, just because it comes folded, but I have not had a chance to take up my steamer yet. Sorry, there's me blocking it. Super simple to assemble. Literally, there's 4 rods underneath here that you just spin together, and then 4 rods up top. Then I just literally have it taped up here. So super lightweight, but also good quality. And the fact that I can literally tape it to my window and it's holding is amazing. But such good quality, like I said. I am really impressed, and it's so affordable too, so that's crazy. This is a great thing if you don't have like a large TV, to be able to just hang this up. It makes a huge difference in the picture and the quality. The anti-glare is awesome. I'm gonna show you what it looks like without the projector on. Okay, so that's what it looks like with the projector off. It's like a gray hue almost. It's not like a bright white, it's gray, which is, I think, what helps with the anti-glare. So love it, amazing quality. Just make sure you hang it up when you get it, and then do your best to try and steam out some of those wrinkles. But love it. This brand actually sent it to us, and I'm so pumped to do movie nights with it.